swim? Or a bird how it flies? No siree, you don't. They do it because they were born to do it. Just like Willy Wonka was born to be a candy man. Who can take the sunrise? Sprinkle it with dew. Cover it in chocolate and a miracle or two. The candy man. The candy man can. He mixes it with lava, makes the world taste good.
Let's dig on Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory and its connection to black audiences. There's something here I can't quite put my finger on. Let's examine it. The appeal of Gene Wilder's portrayal of Willy Wonka to black audiences is a nuanced issue with varying perspectives. 1. Appreciation for Gene Wilder's performance in the film as a classic many viewers, regardless of race, appreciate the film as a beloved classic and credit Gene Wilder's captivating and charismatic portrayal of Willy Wonka as one of its strongest elements. His performance combines whimsy with an underlying edge, making the character appealing to both children and adults. The film's enduring popularity and cultural impact are also due to its imaginative storytelling, dark humor, and memorable songs. 2. Concerns about the film's source material and its depiction of Oompa Loompas. The novel the film is based on, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, has been criticized for its racist origins, particularly in its original depiction of the Oompa Loompas in early editions of the book. Oompa Loompas were described as black African pygmies brought to Wonka's factory from their savage land and paid in cocoa beans. This has been interpreted as a problematic colonialist fantasy, reinforcing the idea of a white savior bringing civilization and exploiting resources from Africa. The film, while changing the Oompa Loompas to orange-skinned and green-haired, has been seen by some as retaining elements of this problematic origin story and perpetuating problematic tropes. 3. The complex and sometimes contradictory nature of cultural reception. Some black viewers may appreciate the film and Wilder's performance while acknowledging the issues within the source material and film's depiction of Oompa Loompas. The film's reception among black audiences is not monolithic and involves a range of perspectives and considerations. While some may find the film and its themes enjoyable, others may be acutely aware of and disturbed by the underlying racist implications. In conclusion, the appeal of Gene Wilder's Willy Wonka to black audiences is complex. While many, including black viewers, may enjoy the film for its entertainment value and Wilder's iconic performance, others recognize and are impacted by the racist origins of the source material and the problematic elements within the film's depiction of Oompa Loompas. Ultimately, individual reception varies based on personal experiences and interpretations. What does it mean to you? I think this character appeals to all in a very cynical kind of way. But don't take my word for it. I am Mufukin Mr. Farabee. Peace out.
Who can take a rainbow, wrap it in a sign, soak it in the sun and make the strawberry lemon pie? Candyman, and Darcy mixes it with lava, makes the world taste good.